Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're reviewing the upgraded 3-in-1 car phone holder mount. Whether you're on a long drive or a daily commute, this mount promises security and convenience. Let's take a closer look at its features and see if it lives up to the hype. This phone mount is designed for maximum flexibility, offering 3 installation options: dashboard, windshield, or air vent. It's compatible with most vehicles, from cars to trucks and SUVs, making it ideal for all drivers, including Uber and Lyft professionals. The suction cup technology is a standout feature. With a 3-layer adhesive gel and a secure locking mechanism, it ensures a strong grip on flat surfaces. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures, and if it ever loses its stickiness, a quick rinse with warm water will restore it. However, it works best on smooth, non-leather surfaces. With a 360-degree rotating ball joint and an adjustable telescopic arm, ranging from 4.43 inches to 7.31 inches, users can customize their viewing angle effortlessly. Whether you need your phone in portrait or landscape mode, this mount enhances both safety and accessibility while driving. Another key feature is its one-button release system, allowing for quick phone placement or removal. Designed to fit all phones from 4.0 inches to 7.0 inches, it ensures a secure hold with anti-scratch rubber padding, preventing your device from slipping, even on bumpy roads. The upgraded 3-in-1 car phone holder mount delivers on durability, adjustability, and ease of use. If you're in need of a reliable car mount, this might be just what you're looking for. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more great content. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. See you in the next video.